Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video I want to share with you how I was able to cash these buys for hours. As you can see, the trade is still running. I'm in deep profit, and so I want to show you how I was able to get this entry and also take this trade. All right, so this is crash 1000 index, and this the idea on getting this entry is applicable to trading every pair, any pair that is tradable, guys. All right, so you just need to watch this video to the end to get the knowledge and try to apply it to make your own money, guys. All right, so if you're watching my video for the first time, please click on the subscribe button to click on the subscribe button, and also like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, guys. And I'm sure you're going to get some value from what you're going to see or watching this video. All right, so let's go. When I opened this chart, I actually saw that the market was, I noticed this pattern right here. Let me show you guys. I noticed this pattern, this stuff right here. I noticed that the market was actually selling nicely. Then it started giving us this stuff, and then it had some stuff, something like this. I actually, in fact, I saw the market at this point. So looking at this point, I noticed the market has been buying from this zone. This is actually a support zone now, and it is in line with this zone where the market has been selling from. You can see that market actually sold from this point several times. Each time it tries to buy, it's sold. This time it tries to buy from here, it rather sells to the downside. Now, finally broke above. It still came back to sell. Now the market came back again and bought above up to this level, then still sold back, and this time around it was reacting to this zone right here. So this is a zone to take note of, and we can easily place a horizontal or a rectangle here to mark out the zone clearly. All right, so now you can see that this was actually a zone, and for the fact that the market broke out of this zone and then still came back to do a retest, and it has been struggling to sell. You see that the market has been struggling to sell below this zone. I knew it was going to buy. Meanwhile, if we zoom out a bit, we will notice that there was a kind of a pattern that the market formed, and this pattern is a pattern that indicates the market is actually going to buy. The market is going to buy, guys. There is a link in the description of this video that will take you to my Telegram channel. So if you're watching my video for the first time and you are not a you've not joined the Telegram channel, or you've been watching my videos, guys, just click on that link. Go to my Telegram channel in case you want to enroll in my one-on-one mentorship. That's where you can find my direct contact. Then you contact me. We'll discuss the mentorship, how it's going to be. All right, so just do that. All right, so look at what I found here. You can see this pattern right here. It's a very simple approach to trading. It's a very simple approach. You don't need to, it's not rocket science, you know. Now, what the market is actually doing is, what the market actually did was this. It created lower highs and lower lows. You can see the lower highs and the lower lows. Then the market got to this zone. After it got to this zone and it bought above, came back to retest this zone, and I saw these consolidations. I knew the market doesn't feel like buying, so selling again based on these rejections I've been seeing here on this particular place. I knew it was going to buy, and the next time it's going to buy, it's going to buy above this particular zone. It's going to buy, sorry, it's going to buy and break out of this trend line. So I entered the trade on the close of this particular candlestick, and I allowed it to run because of the confidence I had. Sometimes you need to apply confidence when you are trading, guys, and the confidence must come from the knowledge that you have about the movement of the market. It's not just from looking at the market and thinking it should go. It's based on what you understand. So I entered the trade and allowed it to run. As you can see, the market has been running and running, and my target, I entered two trades actually. The first trade I took, the first position, I entered two positions. I closed the first one at about $110 position. I think it was somewhere around here, $110. Then I left the second one to run, and you can see it's still running. It got to about $297 in profit, if you can see clearly. Then it started selling, but I still expect the market to go above this high here. But whatever be the case, I am very sure of I'm very sure the market is going to hit my take profit, guys. So it's a very simple approach. It's a very simple approach to always practice. All I did was to, I did not wait for the breakout. Like I told you guys, not all the time that I have to wait for market to pull out and break out, then before it continues. Before, break out, then pull back before I want to find an entry. Sometimes I can just, enter the trade even before the breakout, depending on what I notice in the chart. And right now, see the market bought above this zone. Let me go to the 1 hourly time frame. Let me show you what also gave me the confidence to enter the trade at that point. So you can see here, I noticed these rejections here on the 4 hourly time frame. With the 1 hourly time frame, you can see the rejections. You can see the multiple rejections. Then I saw that then I saw where the last 1 hourly candlestick closed. It closed bullish and engulfed the previous bearish candlestick. So I had to enter the trade at this point. You see the buys bought above. Then I took my first profit about $110. And you can see the pattern is very clear here. So now what I'm really seeing right here is that the market is trying to retest this particular zone. There's a zone here the market is trying to retest, which is this zone. You can see the market has been buying from this zone, and the market recently broke above it. So I see a possibility the market wants to retest this zone. After retesting this zone, it's going to continue buying, then it will buy and hit my TP and continue buying. That's what I'm projecting. That's my projection, guys. So you always have to move. Most times you need to go to higher time frames to see what the market did previously or what the market is actually doing. It might give you a better idea of where the market is actually going. Now you can see this zone is where market has been buying from previously. So with that, I believe the market is still going to buy from this zone and get to my profit target, which is how much? About $330 is that's where I have my profit target, and the market I'm sure the market is going to give me that. All right, so guys, it's as simple as that. It's as simple as I just keep practicing these things and sure you'll be profitable. Mind you, it's not necessary that you need to hold trades for long. So if you want to hold trades, make sure you have multiple positions, and then you've already taken the profit from maybe close some positions in profit while allow the sum to run. To get to that maybe fat TP. Very, how would I even put it? Because most times I do not keep my trade, I do not hold trades this long. I will just allow it to run for maybe like 1 hour. Then within that 1 hour, I must have made over $500 depending on the lot size that I am using. So you may not need to be holding trades all the time, but you can learn to hold trades. It's also good. You can learn to practice. You can practice to be doing that so that you can be trading on very small accounts and you can manage some very good small lot sizes. Because if you can hold trades, then you can easily trade. You can build accounts, with very small lot size. Yes, you can build accounts with very small lot size. So that's it, guys. Keep on practicing this. If you want to enroll in my one-on-one mentorship, so you can get all the nitty-gritties of this, my strategies, the reversal strategy, and my continuation strategy, guys, click that link in the description. Get to me on the Telegram channel through my direct contact on the Telegram channel. Then you reach out to me. We'll discuss your training, how it's going to look like. Then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Alright guys, so till my next video, stay blessed and peace out.